What's up, ladies and gentlemen, all fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on it. It's your boy again, Live David from IFX Studio. This evening again, Eastern Time, North America. So as we speak right now, I'm analyzing again in Euro USD. Euro USD is really making some really funny move as we speak right now. Euro USD want to really show the market that the market is an uptrend, the momentum, which it is, you get it. But USD is trying to gain some stability, that is trying to show us that the market is coming down. This new week is coming down, but it is not strong. That's just it. It is, it will come down, but it's not strong. It's not strong at all. It's still an uptrend market. Please, people, don't forget this. Please, people, please, every fellow trader, everybody that really still want to learn Forex trading and all that, anybody that want to make money online, please, I really appreciate it. Please just show me some love. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. I really appreciate it. And on all my social media pages, please, people, I'm open to polite correction. I'm open to correction. Please just don't look at me that I'm still learning, even though I've been in this industry for almost 2 decades now. I'm still learning. Please just let me know what you see, let me know what you feel about the market. So get down to business. So as we are here right now, USD, euros open another candle for the market. There was a power struggle last week within Euro USD, but Euro is still holding the market, showing the market that, hey, I'm the one in charge. I'm the boss right here at this very pinnacle. I'm the boss. Euro is still trying to do some kind of stuff which USD can't really resist right now. Which is very, very good as well. So as we speak right now, USD is Euro is climbing up. Euro is climbing up. I know USD will try to fight it, but let's just go like this. Let me clone this. Okay, yeah, I'm coming, please, people. I'm coming. Okay, so let me solidify this. I don't need it to be okay. Now, should USD want to reverse, it's going to point to this direction. So should USD hit this very point, and it did not reverse, should USD hit this very point and it did not reverse, it means USD is going down. As we speak right now, I'm in the market. I placed buy. I'm in the buy section of the market right now. I'm in the market as we speak since last week. I've been in this market since last week. So here's what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that this market, there's a little bit possibility for USD to try to fight it. So as we speak right now, I place a buy limit. I place a buy limit somewhere here, somewhere at this very place that my candle is. So let me just do something. Let me clone this one again, and I'm coming. Let me clone this one again so I could show us what I really mean by that. Clone. Okay, very good. So you come down, mister. So as we speak, okay. So should USD want to fight, it will fight within this range. This is what I believe. So I put a buy limit here as we speak right now. So should the market hit this point, it's still going up. You get it? This is what I see in this market as we speak right now. So should the market hit this point, it's still going up. So let me just do another candle that indicates that the market is still going up. Okay, very good. Very good. Yeah. So very good. So should the market hit this point, it's still going up. This is what I see there. This is what I see in the market. I don't know what you see, but please let me know whatever you believe that is going to happen in this market. But to me, I see this market to be an uptrending market. So please just let me know what you see, what you think, how you see the market. This is how I see it. This is what I do. But let's just check some few things before we round up this very video, before we meet in another of my video again. So I said it last week. This was last week. This very one. Okay, let me solidify this one again so we see it clear. We be clear about it. Okay, yeah, now this is it. Let me solidify this one again. I just want to solidify it so you understand. Yeah, look at it. It's so clear now. I said it. I said, should the market hit this place, it's still going up. You understand? Which it does. Last week, it didn't hit it at this very point, but it hit it at this very point. But the market is still gaining an uptrend in stability. It's still showing us that the market is gaining an uptrend in stability. You understand? So, Euro USD market is going to fully open by 2-3 p.m. today. But from what I can see in this very place, 2-3 a.m. Eastern time, North America is going to open fully. The market is at the move as we speak right now, but I don't really see it doing much as we speak right now. You get it? Because Euro USD is still going to be on a tie, on an even battle. You get it? But the even battle right now, I see it working in favor of Euro. Honestly, I see it working in the favor of Euro. USD will definitely try to fight it. It will come down, but it will definitely bounce off in this very place. You get it? So this is what I see there. This week, to me, I see this market to be an uptrending market. But should this market hit this point and it break down this point, once it break this point to something like this, then it means it's a downtrending market. You get it? When it break it to this very point, it means it's a downtrending market. You get it? The downtrending is not solidified yet. You get it? It might get to this point to hit it, but should it hit it to this very point, then the downtrending is somehow sure. You get it? But from what I can see from the stability of the market is definitely going to reverse at this very point that I'm looking at, that I'm seeing as we speak right now. Please let me know what you think. Let me know what you see in the market. Let me know what your own calculation is in this market. This is how I see it. This is how I calculated it. There are more things that are calculated that I'm not talking about on air, but from some of my price action strategy, I just brought very few out of them out right now to tell you guys that this market is a downtrending market. Well, please people, just let me know what you think. Let me know what you see, because should we check this market from down? Euro really fought the market from May 2020, May 15, 2020. Euro took a very, very drastic, a very skyrocketing move, and it moves against USD. Jesus Christ, it skyrocketed and it went up in a very, very tremendous rate against USD since on the 15th of May, and it shoot up to the 28th of August before USD start slowly resisting, you understand, at an uptrending resistance. You get the USD is trying to slowly resist it at an uptrending resistance. You get it, which Euro is not really giving it the chance to fulfill many things. Euro is really proving itself. It's really proving its stability at the market right now. So USD really, the exchange rate, the exchange the exchange energy of USD in the market, in the international market right now, in the transaction international market right now, it's somehow low as we speak right now. So people, please just let me know what you think. Let me know what your own takes are. Let me know what you view in this market, because this is how I see that it's going to work. Please, if you see more, please, I'm very much open to polite conversation, a polite correction as we speak. Please, everyone, please just tell me what you see, tell me what you think. But from my own point of view, this is what I see. So people, thanks very much, I really appreciate it. It's your boy again, David, live from my FX studio. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button, and I'll really appreciate it. And people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Have a good one.